Hi guys, welcome to this video where we're going to be looking at dividing indices or the quotient rule. Every time you hear the word quotient, they're talking about division really. So if you're dividing indices of the same base, again, by this point, guys, you should know what a base is, right? But just to take you back, if you have something like a to the power b, or to the exponent b, x is the base, and then b is the exponent. And this exponent, sometimes they call it power. So every time I say power, I'm talking about exponent. Every time I'm talking about the base, I'm referring to this main character, right? Okay, so if you're dividing indices of the same base, you simply subtract the powers. So this will be x to the power a minus b. So let's look at this, right? If you're having k to the power 12 divided by k to the power 2, ask yourself, are they the same base? Yes, simply subtract out the powers. So you get k to the power 10. But let me show you how it comes about, right? So if I'm having, right, k to the power 12, this is the same as having k times k times k 12 times. Divide by k squared, which is k. So what happens is this k will cancel with this k, and this k will cancel with this k, right? And how many k's will be left? So k to the power 10 will be left. So that's where it's coming from. If you're dividing indices of the same base, simply subtract out the powers. So this will be k to the power 12 minus 2. This will be k to the power 10. Okay. Another thing we're going to do is always collect like terms. Deal with the k's alone, deal with the x's alone, deal with the q's alone, deal with the constants together. So we are having p to exponent 7, but down here, divide by p to the exponent 4. So this will be p to the exponent 7 minus 4. And then q exponent 16, but there is a division, divide by 12. So this will give us p exponent 3, q exponent 4, right? That's what you get. What about if we have a constant? You see, 14 divided by 7, you get a 2. R's alone. R squared divided by R. Yeah, that will give you R, 2 minus 1. S squared divided by S is the same as S, 2 minus 1. And this will give you 2RS. Okay, let's look at another example. So before we look at another example, so what this means, if you wanted to expand this would mean something like, for some of you, if you want to know where it's coming from. So this is the same as 14R times R. S squared is the same as S times R times S. So let's cancel the like terms. This S here would cancel with one S here. This 7 was will go into 14 too. So we'll be left with 2S. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.